If you're looking for low-maintenance watering tools to help keep your trees well watered throughout the season, Solutions tree watering bags will provide up to 20 gallons of water directly with no runoff or evaporation. These tree watering bags can be securely attached to trees of 1 to 8 inches in trunk diameter with their heavy-duty zippers and will deliver up to 20 gallons of water slowly over 8 to 10 hours with even distribution and without fear of overwatering. Solutions tree watering bags are ready to use without any assembly. You may need a ruler or tape measure to determine your tree trunk's diameter and a garden hose to fill the bag with water. First, determine your tree's diameter at breast height, or DBH. This can be about 4.5 feet above ground level. Use one tree watering bag around trees with a diameter of up to 3 inches. Zip 2 bags together for trees 4 to 8 inches in diameter. Wrap the bags around the tree trunk with the tag facing outward and zip the ends together from bottom to top. Lift the tag, insert a hose into the opening, and turn on the water. Fill the bag up to 1/4 of its capacity. The drip points may release water initially, but it will slow as the bag is filled. Gently lift the bag by the straps to expand the bottom, then resume filling. Fill the Solutions tree watering bag to the desired level. The bag will empty in approximately 8 to 10 hours. Most trees will need to be watered once a week. Use Solutions tree watering bags on newly planted or established trees that are 1 to 8 inches in trunk diameter and the branches are at least 25 inches away from the ground. These bags are ideal when you want to minimize your tree watering schedule and give new or established trees the exact amount of irrigation needed. They can also be used when you want to conserve water as they empty out over 8 to 10 hours. The Solutions tree watering bag poses no threat to health or safety when operated according to the product's labeled directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE if you're handling pesticides or fertilizers along with this product. These bags are not intended as permanent installations. Use them as needed for 1 to 2 growing seasons.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.